CEO to Android user to iPhone user to international American and China, Philippines. It is a big social media and effect to the whole world trend. Well, what happened? Because you are planning to ban about the personal to miss access to the world in you before your warning to me. I want a frog lip to refer to me in 2015 in long hair for all my apps platform. I have no money collected, and seriously I did for your credit your bank and your assist for this matter year for our CEO for recorded. May record talaga dyan na hindi naman ako kumukulik at kumukuha ng pera online. Because you are relevant to me and always longer disgraces the world. I am abandoned life in the Philippines. It's whatever it is illegal na hindi kayo sumusuko sa akin on first at President Philippines, China, and America. I am big story in your criminal act on stories affected damages on our revolution war for the Ukraine, and neither you are voting right. You agree about this longer criminal act about the international to Asian to ISIS affected or the Brooklyn to military in this Korea into what I mean an old man of president. You are very excited about the criminal act in this world, understanding to the Christ in world religion, our religion and ministry for the time of the earth. Wala naman kayo alam doon at wala kayong magagawa doon because earth is not your hand. And this word, Mr. President, meaning you are Lucifer. I don't be agree about your earth is your boundaries home. So, ang aking lang tinatanong versus longer to benefit over the damage to the world. Sumuko na kayo sa akin ng person, Philippines, nang matigil ng whole world and time. Wala namang problema eh. Ang akin lang sumusuko kayo ng totoo for this believe because I am abandoned this life. Hindi nyo na maibabalik ang kabataan ko, di ba? For longer than my age because I am 35 years old now. In July 30, 1980, is born. So what are your age to fight to me about longer? I don't want to hear that people is guilty and shamans illegal crap. And over the world, democracy want to collapse. The people very hit. Sinasamantala nila ito at dito sila yayaman for disagreeing to be agree about liar and stupid world. President Philippines Marcos Duterte, Biden, Donald Trump said, you are big story to me about this, my country, in your planet Earth. Yan na lang ang solusyon. Kung patagay kang matigas ang ulo at puro fried ang pinapairal nyo wala kayo mararating. Hindi ko ay titigilan at nabubuyak sa daigdig. I never stop. I am good to you. You are never stop. I am good to me. But this is the speech, the last day's speech. Warning. Don't exit Satan because over you to me is bully this world by future. Thank you, bitch.